can notice that here I am getting one issue, which is your connection is not private and error code is NET date invalid. However, I can tell you that my system have a correct date and time. Okay, I have a correct date and time setup, which is already I done, but still I am getting this issue. Even if I try to downgrade a Chrome or upgrade a Chrome, but still issue exists. You can notice that after updating, Chrome is up to date. You can also notice the version. I am facing this issue after freshly install of the Windows 7. However, you know that Microsoft remove the support for the Windows 7. So maybe it is related to this. I am not sure about it, but I try to find out uh, the solution from all of the sources like online blogs and Stack Overflow, everything, but still the issue exists. Now, when I try to switch to any other browser, as you can notice, it is a Stack Exchange, the same URL. Okay, another browser. This browser is again Mozilla Firefox. Here you can notice it is working absolutely fine without any issue. Okay, this certificate issue is gone. Just to use another browser, now issue doesn't exist. So it means that I can conclude that the issue is because of the Google Chrome. Maybe Google Chrome taking some information from the Windows 7 which is not up to date. If I will show you the certificate, you can notice that here certificate is not valid. Okay. However, you can notice that this is valid from 2/3/2022 to 5/4/2022. So it means it is not expired because today's date is in between these two dates, which is my system date time. Okay. So if I will show you the date of this system, date time, then you can clearly see it is exactly matching with the internet date and time. You can notice today is the 6th, Sunday 6 March 2022. Okay, this is exactly the same, which is the internet timing. Okay, time is something, just let me copy these things. Okay, it's fine. So just I'm going to search the date and time from the internet, and let's see current date. Okay, today's current date. You can notice that Sunday 6 is, it is the same. Let's type here the timing, current date time. So it is at 12:15. It means that it is exactly matching with the settings time. Okay, exactly it is matching. You can notice it is the same, but still most of the site is having these issues, which is the your connection is not private and NET date invalid. Okay, if I will refresh again, I am getting the same issue. Even if I will clear the cache and cookies, everything, all of this information, but if I will do the hard reload, you can notice empty cache and hard reload, I am getting the same thing. Let me clear some of the other thing as well. If I will click here the cookies, it is already cleared, local storage session, everything is cleared, but still I am getting the same issues. Okay, even if in the Stack Overflow as well. And if I will switch to any other browser, then in case of Mozilla Firefox, it is working absolutely fine. So please let me know that what is the issue for the Google Chrome, or how to resolve. For now, the solution is to switch to the Mozilla Firefox, because I am not getting any solution. If I have tried everything. Okay, if you know, then you can tell me. And for now, if you are also facing the same issue, then you can get your work done with the Mozilla Firefox in this case. So thank you very much.